All right, this video is intended to serve as an introduction and overview of the LabVIEW controlled model railroad. The entire railroad is intended to represent the state of Western Pennsylvania in the early 1950s. Some of the industries that were present at that time were, of course, steel mills that had just fired all the steel that went into the Second World War. In addition to that, oil, which had been discovered in Oil City, Pennsylvania, and coal mining, which was responsible for bringing steel to Western Pennsylvania, because that was the source of energy and the coke that was used to refine the iron ore. Let me give you a quick overview of what we have. We have what will be a city area that will be located on this raised platform behind the steel mill. The steel mill itself, which includes an operational skip hoist, where we had to machine the pulleys to get it to work. Right now it's operated via switches, but I hope to operate that with an Arduino eventually. There's also going to be some automated activities taking place to simulate the operation of the steel mill itself, where ore will be moved from the furnace to one of the mill buildings. All right, this is one of those situations that let us get a little creative, in the sense that we wanted to make it look like the stream actually goes back behind the backdrop. And that can be observed by seeing that toy dinosaur back there is being reflected in a mirror behind it. So because of the way things are set up, you can't really see the mirror because it reflects the opposite riverbank. Layout does feature operational crossings that will operate automatically whenever a train approaches this road crossing. And the other main feature of the train layout is the coal mining that was taking place in Western Pennsylvania. Okay, this is the hardware that operates the railroad. It's all custom built, well, not custom built, but all hand built circuit cards based on some an old control system designed by Bruce Chubb that lets us switch the control of the various blocks in the railroad between more than one cab. We have logic that also detects whether or not a train is present in one of the blocks, so that we can update the user interface to show where the train is, because there are parts of the train layout that are not visible, like whenever it goes into the tunnels. In addition, behind this backdrop, there's also rails back there. And one thing to make note of is this backdrop was created from an actual photo of a mill in West Virginia. And we incorporated it into the layout as an extension of what the model represents in the front. I guess I should call it there for now, but the main thing I'm looking for is I have to find a USB to serial adapter, because my new laptop doesn't have a serial port, and I'll need a 9-pin serial to talk to this control logic. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.